I'm getting paid to drive this engine swapped and modified 2013 Audi TT. And in this video, I'm doing a full breakdown. What I bought, what I fixed, what I upgraded, what it cost, what it's worth now, and how I ended up with a fun daily driver and cash in my pocket. Our journey actually starts with a completely different car, a red rolled over TTS. This thing is the entire reason the black TT exists the way it does, and it's how we made money on the project. It only had 34,000 miles. So before we did anything, we made it run and drive to make sure the engine and transmission were happy and healthy. We replaced a broken oil pan, an engine mount, the oil breather, oil cap and dipstick, and we even had a key programmed because it didn't come with one. Now that we knew that the donor was solid, we went full salvage. And when I say salvage, I mean completely disassemble the red rolled over TTS. Every part came off, got inspected, and got sorted into 3 piles. Trash, what we needed to save the black TT, and what we could sell to recover money. We used way more off the red rolled over TTS than I expected. Not only do we have a bunch of parts with only 34,000 miles on the black TT now, the engine, the turbo, and the brakes were huge upgrades too. Everything good that we didn't use got listed on eBay. But before I tell you how much we have listed on eBay, pause and drop a comment right now. How much do you think I have listed in parts on eBay? Because I bet the number will surprise you. It definitely surprised me. At this point, the red rollover TTS was stripped and useless to us, so we loaded it onto my trailer and hauled it away to the scrapyard. All right, we're okay. Now the easy part, right? Pull the old TT engine, clean up the engine bay, and just drop in the TTS drivetrain. Except it's not that easy. The ECU needed the immobilizer deleted, the pinouts and wiring weren't identical, the TTS uses a MAF sensor and the TT doesn't, so we had to wire that in, and the fuel lines, AC lines, coolant hoses, and charge piping all routed differently. That's why we transferred over the radiator, intercooler, and AC condenser. Basically the whole front end setup. We fixed a leaking turbo drain gasket, filled it with oil, changed the spark plugs and fuel filter, topped off the coolant, and then finally, the first start of our TTS swapped Audi TT. We did it! We have a TTS swapped Audi TT. After that, the goal was simple, make it a real car again. We had to reassemble everything, and along the way, we installed an aftermarket catless downpipe, a cold air intake, upgraded to the bigger and better TTS brakes in the front and rear, bled the brakes, loaded the engine and transmission tune, and then we hit the road for our first drive. Oh, baby. Oh. With it running and driving, it was time for our cosmetic overhaul because it looked rough. I started with a little paint correction. I'm not a professional, but the before and after helped a ton. I pushed out a huge dent in the door, and then we tackled the hole in the quarter panel. Cut out the bad metal, make a template with tape, cut out the donor patch panel, weld it in, grind it smooth, body filler, primer, sand the entire car down for paint, then into the inflatable paint booth. 2 coats of sealer, 3 coats of base coat, and 2 coats of clear coat. And I'll be honest, not having a giant hole in your car makes it look a little better, don't you think? We wrapped it up with some smaller fixes. Paint under the spoiler, painted calipers, replace the broken fog light, and restore the headlights. Now we can enjoy the fruit of our labor with a TTS swapped, running and driving, super good looking 2013 Audi TT. Now that we're all on the same page with what we did, let's talk about the price tag, or the paycheck. The black once holy TT was $3,592. The red rolled over TTS was $4,909. If you have any doubt in your mind if this price tag was worth it for the donor TTS, the engine alone with 34,000 miles on eBay is like $4 grand. So if you include everything else that we took for the black TT, it was absolutely worth it. Not even including what we sold on eBay. We still had to buy repair parts and supplies. Oil breather, serpentine belt and tensioner, gaskets, brake pads and rotors, tires, fluids, spark plugs, and paint materials totaling $2,728. So the required cost to repair the black TT plus the red TTS plus repairs, $11,229. But we didn't stop here. We didn't do only the required stuff. We had some upgrades. Wheels, an exhaust, an intake, an engine tune, and a transmission tune totaled to $2,975. On top of the upgrades, we had some optional things, like the key for the red rolled over TTS, the paint for under the wing, the paint for the calipers, and the headlight restoration. Those things totaled to $800. So finally, all said and done, our clean title 2013 Audi TT had a price tag of $15,004. Quick note, I did spend $1,705 on welding supplies, brake tools, AC tools, and Rostec VCDS. But I'm not including that in this list because it'll just move forward to other projects. So then the big question is, was it worth it? How am I getting paid to drive this car? Kelley Blue Book values this car between $10,000 and $12,000. Now I'm hoping with a TTS engine and transmission with only 34,000 miles, we're at that $12,000 mark. But modified cars are just hard to price in general, so you let me know what you think. Now you're probably thinking, if I spend $15K and the car is worth $12K, that means I lost money. And you'd be right, if the TT was the only part of the equation. But let me introduce you to my new favorite tool to making money on car builds, eBay. I listed every good part of the TTS that we didn't use on the black TT on eBay for $13,453. And I'm not inflating that number. That is based off comps and active listing. So far, we've sold $1,987 worth of those parts, which means that we still have $11,466 of active listings. But let me be real with you. Of that $1,987 sold, I only pocketed $1,212 because of eBay fees, shipping, and ads. I also sold the catalytic converters on Facebook Marketplace for $280, and the red rolled over TTS got me $112 from the scrapyard, which means so far we have made $1,608 from our TTS donor. Now we have to do some estimating. Based on what I'm seeing, I'm only getting about 60% of this value because of shipping and fees. But to be conservative, and because some parts may never even sell, let's just say that we only get about 50% of this value. So 50% of the remaining $11,466 is $5,733. Add the remaining profit to the profit we've already made, and that puts the donor return estimate at $7,337. And that right there is why I'm saying I'm getting paid to drive this TT. If the car is truly worth $12, and we do actually get $7,337 from our donor, that puts the total at $19,337. Subtract what I spent from the total value, and that gives us a profit of $4,333. If you wanted to do this purely for profit, no upgrades, no optional stuff, the required cost subtracted from the total value gives you $8,108. So my conclusion is simple. I'm 100% doing this again. I get a fun daily driver, I learned a ton, and if I play the parts game correctly, I'm actually going to come out ahead. Now, I want you to pick this apart. What number do you think is wrong? What would you have done differently? And what do you think the actual value of the car is? If you enjoyed this build, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next one.